Hi viewers, welcome to foodiebites channel. Today we are preparing instant and healthy cabbage salad. It is very easy and quick to prepare. So let's get started to the procedure. Firstly, wash the cabbage and grate it. To that add lime juice with the pulp. Add salt according to your taste. Mix it well and keep it aside. In a pan, heat oil. To that add mustard seeds, jeera seeds, dry red chilies, chana dal, urad dal, curry leaves, turmeric powder and hing. Stew for 1 minute and transfer and mix it well. Cabbage salad is ready to serve now. Cabbage salad is crunchy and tasty to eat. Instant and healthy, quick and easy cabbage salad can be eaten as it is. And it is also a good combination for rice and chapati. Hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching.